We are making dispatch great again. I'm Flint with Truckspy, and I got to make a delivery today, so let's get to it. The first thing I have to do is create my booking. So I'll just click New Booking here. We're going to haul this load from our Amarillo warehouse to my house. Required feedback, we're going to set that to the number of dogs, and we're going to set the same thing here on our drop. So once I've created my booking, I just grab that, drag it up here to the top, and now we're going to assign a vehicle and a driver. There we go. And so now you can see we've got a pre-assigned trip. I am logged in on my tablet as a driver. I'm going to click trip, and I've got my trip, right? We're going to go from our warehouse, Truckspy Amarillo, to my house. If I click info here, I get addresses, and I'll go start trip. And I'll go ahead and don't really need to start nav since I'm already at the warehouse. So I'll just say I'm here. And now we're going to get loaded. We've got the dog on board, so I'll click I'm loaded. And the tablet asks me, how many dogs did I get? I got one dog. And now it wants me to proceed to my house for the drop. So we'll start nav. And I've got turn by turn. Looks like I made it safely to my drop, so I'll click I'm here. Let's unload the dog. And we're done here. We dropped off one dog. I've completed my trip. Of course, what I didn't show you today was all the analytics and ETAs that you get as a dispatcher. If you want to see more about how Truckspy dispatching works, click the link below and schedule some time on my calendar.